Hello guys, welcome back again to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to create this beautiful website. When I click here, you see the color changes, so it is light black. When I click it, says it changes to red, and then the tagline here, this is our site title. This is our basically today I'm going to be showing you how to create this news website. You can also call it a blog. So this is our new site title, news website, then and our tagline, our home page, and then these are categories here. Categories of news: we have blog, sports, campus rumors, entertainment, health, national news, tech. So when I click on sports, they will show me sports. Give it time of loading. As it loads, we can go on the other thing, and then okay, it has loaded. It's a bit of, and then when you click on each category to bring you the category, and then we have entertainment to bring me entertainment, of course, and then health to bring me health, national news, and then tech. So I go back to home page. We have top stories. So this top story shows all our stories we post. So when I click here on any story, see how it stops and then changes the color, even this one. So if I click on Fat Boy Starts Online Radio, it will bring me to that story. You see, Fat Boy Starts on Radio. See how good it is. And then we have recent posts here, is like widgets, recent comments if people are commenting, then archives, and categories, then metadata. And then on top here you can put your social media platforms, YouTube channel, Facebook. I only put YouTube. Let's go back to the home page. So for instance, I just want to search here. Maybe I search Fat Boy. So when I search Fat Boy, they will bring me Fat Boy News Byte, which is this one. So I'll go back to the home page. So basically this top stories shows all our stories which are in this format here. You see one by one going in there. When I tap on it, it stops. When I tap on it, it stops. And then we have this here, which is shows the, you can click here, it's the main stories. If you want it to move faster, just click there. If you want it to go back the other side, so nice. You see all the stories you want, you just choose. If you want the story, just click here to read more. Then you see here it shows health, the category, entertainment. And then this side we have editor's pick, and then we have trending stories, and down here we have popular stories, and then here we have our category of sports up to this side, and then we have entertainment, we have tech, health, and besides this side we have our recent post widget, shows the recent posts in case if you have missed there. And then we have our footer, about our website, about page, and then we have our gallery, category, recent posts again, and then we have our copyright 2020 news byte, and then made by. So this made by Marvin, if you click on it, it will take you to a YouTube, to any, like anything you linked it to. Okay, I linked it to my YouTube page, but basically if you want, you can link it to anything. If I click here, it will take me there, my YouTube page. See how it's nice if you slope up. So basically to do this, I always do my websites offline for people who want to learn, maybe for future purposes they want to start doing WordPress websites. So basically what you need to do, you need to first download XAMP. Go to your browser, type in XAMP, click on the first result, and inside you can open WordPress. So there are versions here. This is the version for Windows. The latest is this one. Then there's a version for Linux and then OS. So you choose what for the one for your specific laptop. Yeah, for if you have Linux, you use Linux. If you have Windows, you use Windows. And after downloading XAMP, if it's done, you type in WordPress. You go down and look for WordPress.org. This one here, WordPress.org. Click on download. Still loading. So they will bring you this download WordPress 5.5, the latest. So after downloading those two, what you need to do is after downloading XAMP and the WordPress, you have to extract the WordPress in the folder you created in the HTDOCS. So I've already installed XAMP. For instance, maybe you installed it in your local disk C. So you head over to your computer, local disk C or whatever you named it. So you go over to XAMP and in HTDOCS here, create a folder. I'll name my folder Marvin. So after creating that folder, you go back to the WordPress you downloaded. So basically this is what I downloaded. I'll extract it, extract files. I choose local disk C, I choose XAMP, I choose HTDOCS, then I choose the folder name, which is Marvin, then I press OK, then it will extract there. So basically it's extracting. It will take just a few seconds. So when you're done with extracting that, we shall have to create a database name. Sorry, a database. A database is where all what you're going to be doing, where it will be stored. So you'll have to run this command here to access how you can create a database. So it is http localhost stroke my php my admin stroke server. Just copy this into your browser, Ctrl V, press enter. So database name, I'll give it Marvin again, and I press enter. It says the database already exists, so I'll use another one. I'll use Marvo. Create. So basically when you're done creating the database, you head over to a new tab and then run this localhost stroke the folder name you created in the HTDOCS stroke WordPress. I used Marvin, and then I'll slash it with the WordPress. So basically you say localhost stroke Marvin or any name you used, and then the most important part is this one and this and the folder name. They're all important, so you just press enter. So when you're done with that, it will bring you this part. You just press enter. Also, maybe if you use African language, Arabic, I use English, I just press enter. So it will bring you this interface, and we shall press let's go. So I created a database under like using this name Marvo, and then this one will always be root. The username is always root. It's a default, like it's default, and then the password we shall leave it blank. So you submit. So what will be the site title? The site title is this. I'll use blog B, and I'll use the username admin. You can put in your secret password here. I confirm using a weak password and your Gmail, then install WordPress. As it's installing, wait. So when it's done installing, it will bring you this part here. So you just press login, and then you put in the username or email address and then the password you used. Then you press login. See, I'll type in my password again. Logging in. So basically this is a dashboard. It is the back end for the user, like for the owner of the website. And when you go back to the front view, this is what the people outside will be seeing. So what we are going to do first, we are going to go back to the dashboard here, come to posts, delete this trash, then we go to pages, trash everything, move to trash. Then we shall go to appearance, then we shall go to themes. Themes are like they give the look to your website. So we shall be using this. Let me show you on this web, on this shall start using this, but in the long run we shall change it. So I want to delete all these themes. Click on it and then delete. So when we visit our site again, yes, you should see a change. Our site title and then our tagline, and you see these widgets: posts, nothing found, then archive, recent comments, blah blah blah. Then head over to dashboard. So basically our next thing, we shall be going over to the settings, general settings, site title, the tagline, and say first news. So here in the tagline is how you describe your website in a few lines. Then you have to take this: anyone can register, and then here you save changes. So let's head over to writing and check if everything is okay. Everything here is okay. Go to reading. If you want to display 10 posts or more than that, you can just say 11. I want 10. Then syndication feeds, I want 10, most recent, and then full text. Then I'll save changes. And let's go to discussion. and then media, click on media. This is all okay. Let's go to so let's go here to permalinks, and then we shall select post name. Then we save changes. Permalink structure updated. So we shall go to the screen options and tick all this to make our website clean. So you see our website is clean now. Click here again. Then first we are going to create our first website post. So you come here and say add new. So it will bring us this side where we'll add our new post. Then the title, maybe I will say Bayan demolishes Barcelona. Let me just go to Google here. So basically this is the title of the post. So here we are going to just copy this. I just wanted to copy the spelling of Barcelona. Bayan demolishes Barca. So here you can put a text. So I'll just copy this text from here. Ctrl C and then paste it here. Ctrl V. So it is in block, so we have to put it in document here, and then we shall create a category for this. So this is sports. I'll say sports, then add category. So you see it's under category of sports. So when we scroll down here, you can add a featured image which will appear on top of the post. So I say set featured image, select, and then my images are on the desktop. Images, so I will choose which image. I'll use this one for Lewandowski. Set featured image, then I'll publish. So when I view page here, this site, let's see the changes. So when we slope down here, we see Bayan demolishes Barca. Then you see the text down here. Then under here recent post, we see Bayan demolishes Barcelona. So let's head back to our dashboard. Like in this post, if you want, you can add an image. Maybe you want to add the goal highlights of that match. If they aren't copyrighted, you click in embedded. So when you click in embedded, you can put anything like a YouTube link. So I'll have to go to YouTube, and So in the YouTube page I will type in Bayern versus Barcelona, and I'll look for the highlights, Ctrl C and copy that. According to the 2018 Stack Overflow developer, pause that. Then I'll paste the link here. Then I'll update. So when I refresh this, and move this view page again, as if I didn't save it. So let's do that. Embedded. So I forgotten, you type in embeds, you choose YouTube, and then you paste the link of what you want it to appear, then you say update. So basically you can, let's go back here and I show you. Embed. So you can link a WordPress website, you can link a Twitter page, Facebook page, Instagram, SoundCloud, Spotify, all these down here, follow all the things. So let's see if it has worked this time. Open a new link tab,